Oh, Willie Taylor was a youthful lover, full of heart and full of play, till his mind he did discover to a youthful lady gay. Oh, the vows, oh, the breezes, vows and breezes pass away. When her parents came to hear it, they were filled with wrath and spite, said they'd prove young William's ruin, rob him of his heart's delight. Oh, the vows, oh, the breezes, vows and breezes pass away. Oh, 24 British sailors met him on the King's high road, as he went for to be married, pressed he was and sent abroad. Oh, the vows, oh, the breezes, vows and breezes pass away. She dressed herself in sailor's garments, went on board a ship of war, her pretty little fingers long and slender, all besmeared with the pitch and tar. Oh, the vows, oh, the breezes, vows and breezes pass away. In this ship there was a skirmish, she amongst the rest did fight. Her jacket burst the silver buttons, her breast was bared all snowy white. Oh, the vows, oh, the breezes, vows and breezes pass away. Oh, then the captain did inquire, what misfortune drove you here? Sir, I'm seeking Willie Taylor, pressed he was by you last year. Oh, the vows, oh, the breezes, vows and breezes pass away. If you rise tomorrow early, if you go at break of day, there you'll see your Willie Taylor with another lady gay. Oh, the vows, oh, the breezes, vows and breezes pass away. Then she rose at early morning, out she went at break of day. There she saw her Willie Taylor walking with a lady gay. Oh, the vows, oh, the breezes, vows and breezes pass away. Oh, false Willie, you've deceived me, you promised to make me your wife. She that bought you shall not keep you, for this very hour I'll have your life. Oh, the vows, oh, the breezes, vows and breezes pass away. Soon she got a case of pistols, sore she mourned and sore she cried. There she shot false Willie Taylor and the lady by his side. Oh, the vows, oh, the breezes, vows and breezes pass away.